Welcome to Apex 2010, the Nephrology Board Review course. The core group who have helped create and put this program together includes Dr. Jatin Kothari, Dr. Mukesh Shetty, Dr. Srirang Butchu, Dr. Rajesh Kumar, and myself. This course is essentially designed on the blueprint of the American Society of Nephrology Board Review course.
At least as stated, would be to prepare individuals to take the boards in nephrology or whatever specialty of medicine that they're doing. But it also serves as a review, as an up-to-date review of what many issues are in the field, in nephrology.
Apex Foundation course here has done is to say to Indian nephrology, we don't have to go to America, we don't have to go to Australia, we don't have to go to Europe, we can do it right here. We bring the speakers that we want from the rest of the world, we use our own speakers, and we will do it
It's more collation of all the data which has occurred in the past few years, and to present it in a very palatable form to the practicing nephrologist, so they are able to translate all these advances into the day-to-day
Terrific
practice.
course. I've been involved in lots of board review type courses in the US as well as elsewhere, and I can say the setup for this course in terms of the breadth of things that have been addressed, the up-to-date nature of the course, the way it's been clinically oriented so that hopefully most of what's been said will have some translation into practice, are all excellent. I think this course is a good model.
It has been great so far as hospitality and academic sections are concerned. I am enjoying it thoroughly.
This is one course which is totally dedicated to education, upgrading our knowledge, and totally professionally arranged.
Especially for the trainee doctors, actually the board review course, there is more opportunity to discuss in details and topic wise, which is not possible in case of the conference because the recent updates are only discussed in the conference.
It's very elaborate, recent advance, and it is the need for every practicing nephrologist, not only for the students, for everyone it is very much beneficial.
Board review kind of takes you around the entire gamut of the subject, and it's a kind of summary or it's a kind of revision of all that which is required. So it helps almost everybody, postgraduates for in-depth review, the clinicians for their practical take-home messages, and so I suppose it is much more advantageous to have a board review course, especially for practicing nephrologists.
Attendance was inside the conference session was far more in number as compared to the conferences. And this was, I feel, even more focused than conferences, because in conferences you have several sessions going on at the same place. This was quite focused.
This conference and any other conference that I have attended in this country has been the management which has been done, the amount of effort that has gone to plan what kind of topic should be done, what kind of speaker should be got. And I think that's what made the difference. And you can see it in the quality of the speakers as well as the audience which is participating. It's very rare to see 100% of people sitting 6 o'clock in the evening listening to lectures. Unusual.